If you haven't exercised in years, start here. We're gonna awaken dormant muscles, starting with our calves by lifting our heels off the floor, then slowly coming back down. Now let's work on our quads. This is really important for knee mobility and strength. We're extending our legs, pointing our toes towards the ceiling. Now we want to activate that core and promote mobility in our spine. Rotational movements are extremely important for everyday life. Just follow your natural range of motion. Let's activate that back as well as open up our chest. Engaging our upper back muscles is really important for posture, and chest openers is key for better breathing. Now let's work those shoulders and rotator cuffs. Elbows at 90 degrees, we're bringing our arms together and palms down. Now let's bring our arms over our head by pressing upward. Healthy shoulders are so important for a good quality of life. It's really important that we train them and awaken them. Now let's loosen up our neck. We're simply turning from left to right. If we spend our day on our phone or on the computer, this area will get really tight. Now this one is optional if you can. Let's practice sitting and standing. This is a complete lower body exercise, and the chair makes it more accessible. While we're standing, let's focus on awakening our hamstring muscles. These are the muscles that we sit on all day long. They will go into a dormant state. These curls will help awaken them. Don't forget that heart. We can do low impact jacks, or you could go for a walk. Anything you want really, just keep moving. You could even do it on a chair like this. Practice at least 3 times a week.